So you can see the outdoor lights are turned on. It's not dark enough yet, and they're dimmable. They're down to 25%. Also, this is on a GMC 2500 because I don't have the Maverick yet. I just found out that it's going to be built in about a month. So maybe I'll see it in a couple more months. And it's been about a year after I placed the order, so quite a long delay. But anyways, just to give you a overview of the camper, here's the front. The side with the lights. The lights go all the way down to the end on the right side with the window. And they wrap around the entire back side. If I climb over here, show you, they come down about 3 feet on the left side. So this is the camper, and the interior lights are on. They are set to 100%. This is the sleeping area. So on your right, you've got the kitchen countertop, and this is where the 5-gallon water jug goes. We use it outside a lot, but then if we need to, we can bring it in and set it right there. And you've got kitchen counter space and some space that you can store some food or whatnot under there. The microwave and toaster oven. I've taken the camper out about half a dozen, maybe 8 times so far, and it's worked out really well. The toaster oven and microwave stay in place just fine. All it is some paracord with these eyelet hooks that hold them in. And there's the window. We've got it open right now for some ventilation. Then underneath is the silverware and where we keep the electric skillet. And then below that is just some open storage. And then below that is the fridge. This is a 53-quart fridge from BuildSeries. I have a few other videos on it on my channel that you can check out. But we've got all our food stored inside. It's at 34 degrees right now. You can see the floor is pretty dirty from all the we've been in some muddy situations, and the feet get the floor pretty dirty. I would like to put a rubber mat right here, and possibly some carpet up here. I think that would help a lot, and to be able to just shake it out when it's dirty. So under here is the floor storage. I've got a ton of different gear in here. Kind of hard to see, it's kind of all buried in there, but that's the floor storage. Then you've got space for one person to sit there with a little pillow, and space for 2 people to sit on this side. Now on this side is all the electrical. We've got the AC, we've got the 2000 watt inverter, the battery, and the DC power board. So there's 3 outlets for 12 volt. Currently this is the fridge plugged in running here. We're at 12.8 volts roughly. And yeah, this is a 100 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery that's powering everything. And then here's the switches for the lights, the remotes. I just have them stick to the wall. This one is for the outdoor lighting, and this is for the indoor. And you have various options for controlling the lighting. And I'll go ahead and link all the things I purchased from Amazon down in the description in case you want to check it out. Then moving over to the sleeping area, this is set up for 2 people. And right now there's a 3-inch mattress on bottom with a sleeping bag on top, pillow there. And then on this side back here, there's a mattress below and then a second mattress on top. So I can just pull this mattress out, and with those boards right there that are resting there, I can lay those across here, and it makes a 1-person bed right here. So that's why there's 1, 2, 3 mattresses. And I've had my 2 buddies sleep up here, and they had a good amount of room, and then I slept down here below. One thing you can also do is take this board and you can slide it out of its slot, which is kind of holding everything in up there. You can slide it out and then rest it on these 2x2s on either side, and then that just creates it so you've got a little more space up there. So kind of a nice feature. And then on either side there's open storage, first aid kit, games, toilet paper, and miscellaneous supplies up here. You can you can actually control the lights from the inside right there as well. So if you're in bed, you can hit the button there if you can't reach the remote. So this is the camper. It took about 18 days from start to finish to build, so not bad on the time. It's very lightweight, pretty sweet camper. I'm very happy with it and appreciate you checking this video out. Also, this is a fire extinguisher I've mounted just for emergencies, and right here is where I hang the step stool. So, and then also on top there are 2 100-watt solar panels, and these are the semi-flexible, so they lay completely flat on the roof, which I like, and it's lighter weight that way as well. Also, if you look at the door, we've got a peephole for the door. Can't really see through it very well on camera. And then you've got a lever handle and the deadbolt. So that's the camper. I hope you like it, and thanks for checking out this video.